Good morning, everybody. It is about 4:19 in the morning on March 12th, 2022. Um, Apparently, I was tracking the radar right here, and it popped up as a tornado watch for my area until 11 in the morning, which go figure. And plus two, I've seen areas where it looked like there were like one to maybe two hook echoes in them. I couldn't tell. At least one of them I think was a hook echo, which you'll see in this video loop that I took right here. Oh yeah, that's what we're dealing with right now until 11 in the morning, because it is now 4:40 in the morning, and plus two, every other state is getting snow. We just getting rain, wind, and a tornado watch here in Florida, including Parker, Georgia. Don't want to forget about Georgia. But anyway, yeah, that's what time it is right now. So, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get this uploaded and go to bed. Alright, y'all have a good night, and God bless you.